Welcome, my dear student, in digital learning class of mathematics. Now, as you all know, we are in chapter number 4. So, today I am going to tell you about the application part of chapter 4. So, name of the chapter is linear equations into variables. So, we are in the exercise third, that is solution of linear equation. So, today I am going to tell you how to utilize these linear equations into variable in our day-to-day life. So to understand this question, let's take an example. So this type of problem, I am taking question number 7. Yamini and Fatima, two students of class 9th of a school, together contributed rupees 100. They have contributed 100 rupees towards the Prime Minister Relief Fund to help the earthquake victim. Write a linear equation which satisfies the data. You may take their contribution x and y rupees. Draw the graph for the same. So it is the case where two girls have contributed 100 rupees together toward Prime Minister Relief Fund, and you are also in the series. Maybe you have donated this time rupees. This situation of COVID-19, you have definitely deposited some rupees. So I am going to tell you how to utilize such conditions in the form of a graph. So first thing, what is given to us? Here it is written x and y rupees. Take their contribution. You can write let the contribution of first girl, that is Yamini. So it is already given in the question. You can take it as a x rupees. So second girl and second one, and the contribution of second girl is Fatima, donated by rupees. So the total contribution is clear to you. Total contribution is 100 rupees. So you can write total contribution is equals to. So your total contribution is equals to x plus y is equals to. What is the total? Total is 100 rupees. This is very important line. So after that you can write therefore required equation is equals to x plus y is equals to 100. In this way you can write. Now you can select rupees of first girl as well as second girl so that the answer remain 100. Or in another way you can write this equation as y is equals to 100 minus x. In this way it is easy to calculate. So let's see. First I am calculating for x is 0. Consider first girl is not donating anything. It is then, which imply your y value is 100 minus 0 and answer is 100 once again. Second time maybe the girl number 2, she has given rupees 20. If 20 rupees is given by the first girl, that means you need to subtract 20 from 100 and you will get 80 contribution of second. Then for x is equals to, you can take here 30 or maybe 80. If first girl had donated 80 rupees, so what would be the value of by that time? You can see 100 minus 80, it is 20. So as I told you, you can draw a rough table for this. Even you can take many values. First value you have here, that is x value first 0. That time y value is 100. So first point I can take 0 comma 100. Next point you need to select, that is x is 20 that time, and we got 80 value, so it is 20 comma 80. Third case you have here, when x first girl donated 80, definitely second girl 20. Even you can take many points. So our next task, after getting these value, to represent these value in the form of a graph. So here I want to tell you, my dear student, how to draw a graph. As you all know, this is now y-axis, this is x-axis. So what is the maximum number here? 100. Minimum 0. That means I need to divide this small column up to 100. So let's see, if this is origin, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, and this is your 100. Similarly, I need x-axis. X value is maximum 80. So you can take 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90 and 100. So in such question you need to write scale used. Scale used. So what we have selected here, you can see one small box is equals to 10 rupees. We need to write along x-axis and here along y-axis. Along x-axis, one division is equals to 10 rupees. And here one division is equals to 10 rupees. Both sides we have selected one division is equals to 10 rupees. And y side we are representing money given by the whom? Fatima. Here we are representing Fatima, and upside we are representing Yamini. So this data you need to write before starting any graph. So let's come to the point how to represent the numbers, that is 0, 100. 0 on x and 100 on y axis. So this is your point 0, 100. Next is on x axis 20 and y axis 80. 20 from here, 80 from here. They are going to tie at this point. Next point is your 80, 20. 80 from x axis and 20 from y. So let's join these all. You will get the exact value. So in this way you will get a graph that is satisfying the value x plus y is equals to 100. I hope, my dear student, now you are able to utilize this linear equation into variable in your day-to-day life. This is very interesting example. You can solve it very easy. It is just see what to do. First write contribution by first girl, then second girl, then add the contribution and write it in the form of a linear equation in two variable. Then start substituting the value for one girl and you will get automatically for a second girl. Then make table and select scale. This is very important. Here we are selecting one small column is equals to 10 rupees, and along y-axis also we are selecting one column is equals to 10 rupees. And you need to write here, this is the rupees given by Fatima and Yamini. I hope, my dear student, this is clear to you. Thank you.